So sorry for the noise again because we're just in the room, okay?
Yeah. And welcome to our next tutorial, YouTube viewers.
Which
Please watch.
what we call the offensive and defensive awareness. So, first of all, when you encounter somebody, okay, you should know first how strong, big, or small the person is, okay? So, how quick, how strong. So you should learn that, okay? As we said earlier, mentality, okay? So, let's talk about your range. You should learn your range. You should learn your arm length. Okay? You should learn your arm length. Look. We will show our arm length, okay? Look at her arm length. Let's say she hit me like that. But if I punch her, look what will happen. See? What will happen is she can't reach me because I have a longer range. When we do it inside, look the difference. See? So when you find it, you punch simultaneously. What will happen is like this.
You will be knocked out.
Yes. So you should learn.
You should learn that.
The other side. See? I already land on her face. She's not. Even so, and not like that. I can push her. I can defend her. But I don't feel any hurt to. I land to her face. See? Mostly for the girls, should know your range. Should be very careful not to knock off and somewhat punch like that.
Don't force yourself to reach
Yes,
that person.
Don't force yourself.
Know your distance, know your length, know your reach. That's very important.
So, if a guy is strong, very strong, so what can we do? What can we do? Let's say this is now what we're talking about, to break your opponent advantage. Should break your opponent advantage. So Instructor
What's
Jeff.
the advantage for
Yes.
that person?
What should be the
You
advantage?
should know that. If that's a kick, defend that kick. If that's a punch, defend the arm.
Yes. So, sorry for the noise again, ha? We're just in the room. So, let's say if I punch you like a straight punch, how can we break the advantage? So, when I punch, straight punch, look very carefully. Then, see,
Punch
she
here.
punched my muscle here. Again, let's do it one again.
You should move first.
You should move.
So
Don't
that
stay. Okay?
You can't anticipate where you're going.
Yes. Move, really move, okay?
So we have very small space, so I can
Really move.
really move.
So she just
Anywhere.
showing the.
I'm showing that I'm moving.
Let's repeat it in a quick manner. Okay, quick manner. Okay, shoot. That. When you defend that, use your body movement. Okay, like I told to you earlier. Body movement. Punch. Okay. Like this one. Like that. Mostly for the girls. Okay. Boys and girls, you can do this. There's no such gender in this kind of technique. So, girls and boys, you can do this, okay? So, why you should punch? This is what we call bicep. Is that a bicep?
Yeah.
Your muscle here.
Your muscle here.
Why?
That muscle that.
Because you're weakening the person's thigh. When you punch this,
What will happen?
yeah, this arm will weaken.
So weaken and
this arm will drop.
cannot punch
Punch
that
this,
strong again.
this arm will drop. And when you block, it's just like a jelly ace. Gelatin.
Vegetable.
Yeah, you're like a vegetable. Understand?
There's no bone.
So, breaking your opponent's defense advantage. So, what if the person quit? What will you do? What will you do is to it's really quick. Yeah, it's moving.
Moving.
What will you do is to kick the person leg. Destroy that leg. Okay? So when you destroy that leg, kick them. So what will happen when you extend your feet like that? What will happen is the person's kneecap is already gone. He can't move anymore. So you can knock the person. Okay? So I hope you understand. Sorry for the noise again. So boys and girls, please watch our tutorial. Next tutorial, every tutorial, please don't disregard any of it. Please watch the whole thing. Okay? So see you in our next lesson. This is our instructor GL again. If you
I
are,
will be
yes.
Mr. M to instruct you all about the Wing Chun Foshan Dragon styles. And stay tuned. Watch
tuned.
it.